Hi, my name is Miss Modal, and today I will give you a short introduction to modals. Modals are a special group of words that help main verbs, so they are called helping verbs. In a sentence, they usually come after the subject and before the main verb. When you put a modal with a main verb, it gives the verb a special meaning. You will learn about the special meanings in other lessons. But first, let's take a look at the group of modals. Can, could, may, might, should, had better, must, will, and would. The most important rule about modals is that they never change. He cans? No. They would? No. The second most important rule is when you combine modals with verbs, the verb stays in the original form. Original form means there is no s, ing, or ed ending. For example, take the sentence, she runs. If I add can, it becomes she can run. The s is gone. Here are some more sample sentences. The students wore a uniform. I am taking the dog out. The boy is sick. If I add a modal to each of these sentences, the verb changes back to the original form. The students must wear a uniform. I should take the dog out. The boy might be sick. Wear, take, and be are all original verbs. Does this make sense? I hope so. Let's do a quick review. Today, you have learned that modals are helping verbs, and you always use it with the original form of the verb. Thanks for listening. Bye.